Welcome to 60-Second Crypto. Today we're going to show you how to mine Stellite XTL. First, you're going to download the wallet. I've left a GitHub link in the description. Go ahead and extract that, and then once that's done, you'll get a folder that looks like this. This one's a little more difficult. They've got the old school wallet. So first, you want to open the Stellite wallet daemon file, so -d at the end of it. Essentially, this is going to start syncing the blockchain. So then you click blockchain import, and then eventually your daemon file is going to start syncing the blockchain. Next, you want to open the Stellite wallet client. It has -CLI at the end. You're going to type whatever you want to name your wallet, and if there's not already a wallet named that, it's going to create one for you. Type Y to confirm. Make sure you hit enter after each one of these commands, and then you create a wallet password for yourself. Confirm it. It's going to give you language selection. If you type 1 and then hit enter, it chooses English, and then it should be connected to your new wallet. And if you open the text file labeled your wallet name inside that folder, you have a generated address. And we're going to test this address. You're going to hit copy. We're going to open the Stellite faucet. They have an official one listed on their Bitcoin Talk forum. Post the faucet in, and then they'll send you 10 Stellite we can use to test, which is more useful in this command prompt program. So then you're going to patiently wait for the blockchain to sync in your daemon file. If you open that back up, it should have already started syncing, and you can check by typing the refresh command into your wallet over and over again as you bang your head on the keyboard. Next, if you don't already, you're going to want to download a Kryptonite compatible CCminer or superminer. I've left a link in the description. Here's a quick snippet of me extracting that. Then we're going to head to the official Stellite community pool, open the getting started or configuration generator tab. They don't have a CCminer configuration, so you're just going to copy the stratum link from the example for Claymore's GPU miner. Open any of your CCminer files that come with your superminer. Should be Pigeon or Raven. After -A, you're going to write Kryptonite over whatever the algorithm was. After -O, you're going to paste in the stratum link that you copied. This is my wallet address, but you're going to want to copy the wallet address you generated using the Stellite wallet in the beginning of the video. Paste that after -U, and go ahead and change whatever's after -P with whatever you want your worker name to be. This shouldn't be your password from earlier, just because this is going to be public as a worker name rather than used to log into the GUI wallet client. So when you're done with that, you're going to hit save as, type run Stellite miner or whatever you want, and then type BAT after you name the file and save. Open up the superminer folder and then click on the batch file you just created. It should start mining right away, and then you can go to the community pool website, open up the dashboard, and if you paste that payment address in, they'll give you live statistic tracking for your Stellite miner. Send me some Stellite, subscribe. I've got all the links in the description.